Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute Christmas ornament tree. Most of the items you need to complete this project can be purchased from the Dollar Tree or Dollar General. I picked up a Happy Holiday sign from Dollar Tree with the Santa, and I'm going to use the back of that. Some spray paint, that's actually from Walmart. You're going to need some little mini ornaments, a glue gun, glue sticks, twine, scissors, little poinsettias or stars for the Christmas tree topper, and a pencil and a ruler. So now I just took some white spray paint and I sprayed the back of the sign, and you're going to let that dry. I just set mine outside for a few hours to let it dry. That little part in the middle is just the sticker from the Dollar Tree, but it's going to be covered up, so that didn't bother me. But if it bothers you, you can definitely scrape it off some more. Now I'm just taking a ruler and my pencil, and I am going to trace a triangle that will be my tree onto the back of this piece of board from the Dollar Tree. You do not have to do this, but this helped me with the placement of my ornaments. I picked up these mini ornaments from Dollar General. They were only $3 for this big pack of ornaments. I think there's about 24 in here, and I went with the red and white and silver color scheme. This would be a fun project to do with your kids. You can have them pick out the ornaments that they like and whatever goes with your decor. I think it would be a lot of fun for your kids to pick out the ornaments. Anyways, I'm just taking some hot glue and I'm just gluing a little bit onto the back of the ornaments and a little bit onto the back of the sign, and I'm just placing the ornaments where I want them inside the triangle to create the first part of my tree. Thank you all for the positive feedback on my Dollar Tree snowman. I decided to come up with this craft because it seems like you guys like these really easy, fun crafts to do with your kids. So comment down below if you enjoy these really easy, short Dollar Tree crafts, because I'll keep them up for you guys if you like to do these. And this is what the first line should look like after you've added your ornaments. And then all you're going to do to fill up the rest of the triangle is just keep adding as many ornaments as you like until you feel like your triangle is nice and complete. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You can add any color you want. You can do solid colors. You can mix and match. This is whatever your heart desires, and you just keep filling up your triangle until you like it. Now I have placed all my ornaments down for the body part of the tree. Now I'm going to add the poinsettia as my tree topper. You could absolutely use a star or a bow or whatever, but I found these poinsettias at Dollar General and I thought they were so cute. I do know that Dollar Tree has some things out. My Dollar Tree, unfortunately, at the moment is not stocked that well, so I've been digging the Dollar General lately, but you can find anything you want to top your tree. So I'm just adding some hot glue to the back and just pressing down on my board just to make sure my poinsettia is nice and secure for my tree topper. Now it's time to make the trunk of the tree. I just took a piece of cardboard and I cut a little piece off of the cardboard I had, and I am just going to wrap some twine around the cardboard. This is going to make my little trunk for my ornament tree. And all you're going to do is hot glue, place some hot glue on the cardboard here and there, and just wrap your twine all the way around it until you reach the bottom of the piece of the cardboard. And once you've reached the bottom piece of your cardboard, you're just going to cut off the twine and trim off the extra piece of cardboard. And now you have made your cute little tree trunk to add to your ornament tree. And now it's time to attach your tree trunk to your ornament tree. So you're just going to put some hot glue on the back of your twine and just press it down, and now you have attached your tree trunk to your ornament tree. I think this is so cute, and if you guys actually had a pallet or a piece of wood, I think this would make it look a little bit more higher end and will go really farmhouse if you used wood, but I'm just using what I had on hand, which was that Dollar Tree sign. Like I said, this is a fun project to do with your kids. If you notice, there's those two little holes, and that's actually from where the string hung on the sign. If that bothers you, you could fill that in just with some glue and paint it white or some cardboard, and you won't even be able to notice it. But this is the finished product, and I love how it turned out. I think it goes well with that snowman that I made last week. Like I said, you guys tend to enjoy these quick and easy crafts, so comment down below if you like this kind of stuff, and I will try to keep it up for you guys. Also, comment down below how you're going to do your tree in your house. What is your color scheme going to be this year? I think I'm actually going to go with buffalo plaid for my tree, but I'll let you guys know. Anyways, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this type of video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!